There is a growing youth mental health crisis in Colorado, and unfortunately, access to quality care can be limited. Second Wind Fund is a statewide organization working to prevent youth suicide by connecting youth to the mental health care they need. Second Wind Fund serves youth ages 19 and under who are at risk for suicide and who are facing one or more financial or social barriers to accessing treatment. Second Wind Fund works with youth who are unable to afford care so they can get expedited access to 12 to 20 free therapy sessions online or in person with a licensed therapist. We look at a really wide range of risk factors, things like a history of mental health disorders, depression, anxiety, anything like that, if they have a history of family violence.
The one word that would be top of the list, it would be loneliness. We humans, we need what is often referred to as community.
Second Wind Fund can support youth through two arms of our program. Our overarching goal is to get youth access to therapy they need. The first way is if youth are facing financial barriers to accessing treatment, we can connect them with providers in our network and we pay for 12 to 20 sessions of therapy for those youth. If there are social barriers at play, but a young person wants to pay for therapy through their own private resources, if they're insured, we can provide navigation assistance by pulling a list of providers in our network who are paneled with that youth's insurance. We also work with youth-serving professionals such as healthcare providers, school counselors, and support specialists to strengthen the network of adults who are prepared to respond quickly when a youth needs access to mental health care. We currently have providers who can see youth in person in 43 of Colorado's 64 counties. We have a lot of roots on the Front Range, and in Denver specifically. Denver is one of our biggest referral counties.
With all the work that the Second Wind has done with schools, organizations, churches, communities, I think young people are learning that it is wise, it's intelligent, it's mature when you have a problem, when you're in crisis, to go where you can get the help, where it can get resolved.
As a nonprofit, we really depend on community support to do the work that we do. So our Walk Run is our biggest fundraising event of the year. It is actually the event that Second Wind Fund was founded on in response to a series of 4 consecutive suicides that happened in a short period of time at a local Jefferson County high school. We still hold the event today. It really is a super special event that brings our community together to really help support our mission and really honor young lives.
When I think of what the Second Wind Fund has done, I want to focus on one thing. Lives have been saved.
You can learn more about our youth suicide prevention work, make a referral for a youth, join our provider network, or make a donation on our website, thesecondwindfund.org. Second Wind Fund, a second wind to live for tomorrow.